is unreal for that area.
Yeah, I mean, especially now moving into September, you would think it would be not nearly that hot. So it just kind of exacerbates the situation. But that's where the heat has been locked in out to the west. That's where the high pressure has been. So records, of course, for yesterday, for Labor Day. And we are finally starting to see some changes because of our cold front that is already impacting folks through the Rockies. You can see some of those colder temperatures through Denver and all the way up through the Dakotas, 30s waking up this morning as opposed to our almost 80 degrees here in DFW. So the cooler air has a ways to go, but I did at least want to show you it's on the map and it is moving this way. We'll get a cool down as well as we get into the next 48 hours. Right now, though, it's still summery as you step out. 78 degrees from DFW Airport, feels like 80 with our 72 dew point. And then our winds are starting to pick up a little bit. South winds over 10 miles per hour. They'll get as high, though, as 25 miles per hour late this afternoon and into this evening. Now, as you head out the door, of course, there are kids who are going to be physically attending school. So for those who are, weather should cooperate. We've got temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, Rockwall 74, Keller at 78, and through the rest of the day. If you want to take a mental break and head outside, for the most part, Mother Nature cooperates here. It is going to be, though, a hot forecast still, mid 80s around noon, and then our high temperatures pushing around 90. You notice that slight chance for rain, and that will come into play as we get into this afternoon. So most of the day dry, but where those rain chances do come in, it's some moisture kind of moving into the south. I would say isolated showers and storms possible south of I-20. The better chances coming into play tonight, and especially that will be the case west of I-35, but still it's looking like more scattered activity than a widespread sweeping rain. So it's likely going to be one of those events where not everyone gets the rain, but at least some scattered showers and storms overnight and into tomorrow morning for locations that are back off to the west. So we will get that nice cool down. You can see where it's centered for today. It's back through the Rockies, back through Colorado and Utah. That will continue to kind of sweep through, but it looks like the core of it is going to stay, unfortunately, to the northwest. So what that means for us is it will improve Wednesday, but especially Thursday, but we're not going to see nearly as drastic of a change. They're really seeing a major season change. We're not going to see quite as drastic of a change here. And then as you see, once we get into the weekend, our pattern kind of goes back to summer, actually. The ridge building in, jet stream does lift off to the north, and that will allow for our temperatures to rebound as well. We'll enjoy it, though, while we can. 83 the high tomorrow, temperatures falling through the afternoon, and then highs on Thursday, looking really nice with some scattered showers. Highs are in the 70s. Karen?
Oh.